There should be a cable right there. Let's see if the Bosch GMS 120 saves my wall. Hi guys, today we're testing the Bosch Professional 120, a detector for live wires, metal and wood. No theory, no marketing talk, just a real live test. The GMS 120 have multiple modes and clear display, so expectations are pretty high. For the test I do the wood wall with cable and steel profile. Check how it looks. We try to find the place for drill, safe place for drill. We check what happened if I turn the power of the wall. Our wood have 25 mils. We start the test with the steel profile. The blue line is the center of the profile. Check this out. Left, right, left for the correct work of detector. Yeah, needs to center. Yes, center is here. I point the marker and we check the place after measure. We see the first one place, we find the second place for the test. Near to center. Maybe here. No, again. We see the center on the screen. I point the next one point in the same place on the screen. Okay, I try the next one point and we check what happened. Near to center, yes, center have here. For 25 mils, perfect. Now we try to find center point of live wire. Mark the point. We try the second one. It's near to. And third one. And we finish the test at the wood wall. Yes, near to. Up the screen, up the screen. Oh. Okay. Now we have third. Some difference. 2 of 3 is correct. Number 2 is not good, but 1 and 3 it's alright. Which I drill here. We will check. Definitely not here. Is the Bosch GMS 120 perfect? No. But does it give peace of mind before drilling? Absolutely. Let me know in comments, do you use a detector or do you trust your luck? Subscribe for more real tool tests. Thank you and see you next time.